Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing Goan beef and pork stew recipe. Marinate 250 grams of pork with ginger garlic paste, vinegar, black pepper powder, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder. Marinate the pork overnight. Marinate 250 grams of beef with salt, ginger garlic paste, vinegar, garam masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder. Marinate the beef for half an hour. Wash 250 grams of chopped carrots, 250 grams of chopped French beans, 250 grams of chopped potatoes and keep aside. In a pressure cooker, add pork, little oil, little water and cook till 2 whistles come. Then remove the pork from the pressure cooker. Add beef in the pressure cooker, add little oil, little water and cook till 1 whistle comes. In a vessel, add water and boil it. Add salt. Add carrots, French beans. Stir it. Cover and let it cook. Once it is boiled, add chopped potatoes. Mix and let it cook. Add 50 grams of green peas. Mix and let it cook. Once the vegetables are cooked, strain it. In a vessel, boil water. Add little oil. Add 100 grams of elbow macaroni. Stir and let it cook. Once it is ready, strain it and sprinkle some water on it. In a vessel, saute onion, tomato, green chili and curry leaves. Then add the cooked meat and mix it. Add little sugar. Add 3 sticks of cinnamon, few peppercorns, salt. Mix. Add little bunkel sauce, little tomato sauce, mix, let it cook, then keep it aside. Heat oil in a pan, add the vegetables, fry slightly. Then remove the vegetables and add macaroni, fry slightly. In a pan, add the meats, vegetables, macaroni and mix. Beef and pork stew is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.